Congratulations po on winning the the Batang Pinoy for the second straight time. Reaction niyo lang po muna first of all po dun sa panalo po ninyo na medyo dikit po. Only 4 goals difference with Baguio.
Yes po, masaya po kami. Siyempre, kinabahan kami over the past few days since we went back here in Pasig. Inabangan din namin, alam din namin na magiging dikit yung laban. So, hindi naman siya surprising na dikit. But we
Mhm.
were, of course, pleasantly surprised to have um, done better than Baguio City.
Mhm.
Kahit na sa sobrang dikit ng laban na yun, nanaig pa rin ang Pasig City.
Opo. Nakausap niyo na po ba si Mayor at Mayor Vicot? Ano po reaction niya po? Although nag-post na siya sa Facebook pero nakausap niyo na po ba siya or nag-reach out na po ba siya sa inyo?
Yes, sir. I think he was one of the first to have heard about the news.
Mhm.
Kasi alam ko rin ay um, directly na nakausap siya ng share pa to relay the message to him.
Mhm.
Um, he was outside when he heard about the news. So, masaya naman po.
Mhm.
We of course updated him since last week pa dun sa standing
Mhm.
at least internal count ng Pasig City. So confident naman kami na yun yung level ng yun yung dami ng medals na makokolekta ng Pasig City.
Opo. Sir, saan po nanggaling yung mga medals ng Pasig? Ano po yung mga sports na talagang nag-thrive po yung lungsod?
Yeah, actually, this year, mas madaming mga sports, mga teams ang nakapag-ambag ng gold medal.
Mhm.
We lost all the gold medals in archery. Baguio was able to get 24 of the gold medals.
Mhm.
Last year kasi 18 gold medals ang Pasig sa archery.
Mm.
Zero gold medals this year. So
Mhm.
malaking advantage na agad yung kay Baguio City. Pero na-compensate siya dahil sa magandang performance ng ibang sports. Gymnastics is consistently giving us the medals. So yun yung pinakamaraming medals namin. Other than that, yung nawala talaga sa amin si archery.
Mhm.
Pero nandun pa rin si swimming, nandun pa rin si chess. Nagbigay ng maraming medalya si karate as
Mhm.
overall champion sa sport na yan. Nakapagdagdag ng medalya si table tennis, having taken 4 of the 6 available
Oh,
medals.
wow. Okay.
Nakapag-ambag si Sepak Takraw. So yung dalawang teams namin doon nakapag-medalya, yung isa gold.
Mhm.
Jiu-jitsu nakadagdagan din. Cycling nakapagdagdag din.
Yes.
Halos lahat ng sports yan ay dumagdag sila sa medal count ng Pasig City. So
Mhm.
hindi lamang I think sa bilang namin mga 5 lang talagang sports teams ang walang medal at all. Pero happy kami dahil umabot sila sa mga knockout stages. So
Okay.
basketball for instance reached the round of 16, volleyball girls reached quarterfinals, yung boxing
Mhm.
kahit wala silang medal, umabot sila sa bronze medal match. Futsal also reached quarterfinals. Dance sport as well. Wala man kaming zero medals kami doon pero masaya kami dahil umabot sila sa finals in a
Mhm.
very strong field. So um, this is almost all of the teams
Opo.
contributing doon sa overall medal haul ng Pasig City.
Mhm. So hindi kumbaga po mahirap i-pinpoint kung saan talaga yung pinakamarami kasi halos all across all sports meron kayong gold medal po. Parang ganun po ang lumalabas, no?
Tama po. Although the major
Mhm.
contributor is of course gymnastics. Kasi
Opo.
nasa 25% ng gold medals galing sa kanila yon.
Wow. Ilan po yun? Ilan po yung sa gymnastics? Yung
Uh,
nabilang nyo po.
Di ko alam kung
Mhm.
nagtutugma kami kasi doon sa internal count namin, base lang din sa report ng coaches. Wala pa kaming
Yes.
official results talaga. 25 gold medals.
Wow. Okay po. Mhm. Sir, kamusta yung naging preparation ninyo for the Batang Pinoy sa lungsod po? Ano po ang naging paghahanda yung ginawa po?
Yeah. Medyo mas maaga ang
Mhm.
paghahanda ngayon. As soon as we heard about the post or the venue,
Mhm.
uh, kinasa na agad namin lahat ng preparations. Pero mahalaga rin ipunto na yung preparations ng mga atleta ay hindi lamang in the last 4 months.
Okay.
Um, Marami dun sa mga grassroots sports teams namin, year-round kasi ang training nila. So
Mhm.
right immediately after last year's Batang Pinoy, sumabak na ulit agad sila sa training sa kasamang kanilang mga coaches
Mhm.
para yun sa mga nasa grassroots program namin. But for those na wala pa sa grassroots program, as early as July,
Mhm.
nakapaghanda na sila dahil nagawa na namin yung tryouts, yung selection tournament ng
Mhm.
Pasig City, yung tinatawag naming Pasig Olympics,
Yes.
where we have a selection tournament in all 27 sports na
Mhm.
meron sa Batang Pinoy.
Opo. Tapos po, kamusta naman po yung naging suporta ni Mayor Vico sa mga atleta? Mukhang actually sir, nag-cover din kasi ako ng Batang Pinoy talaga eh. So nakita ko yung mga uniform nyo. Ang gaganda ng uniform ng Pasig eh.
Thank you po.
Kumusta po yung suporta ni Mayor in terms of yung gamit and siguro allowance or monetary? Ano po? Kumusta po?
Yeah, all out po.
Mm.
Masaya kami na sinuportahan hindi lamang ng Mayor Vico pero pati na rin ng City Council at ng
Mhm.
iba pang mga departments ng City Government of Pasig. Kasama na rin po dyan yung Department of Education, Schools
Mhm.
Division Office kasi during the training, sila ang nagpahiram ng mga
Mhm.
venues kasi wala talagang facilities ang Pasig City for the training for our teams. Anyway, going back to the support, all-out support po, nariyan yung allowances,
Mhm.
uh, full set ng uniform, they have the tracksuit set, plus three round neck shirts, a collared shirt for all athletes.
Mhm.
Coaches also get two t-shirts each, plus the tracksuit.
Mhm.
Lahat merong mga allowances. Tinondohan din po talaga, pati yung accommodation nila.
Mhm.
Including of course lahat ng pagkain at transportation
Mhm.
from the hotel to the competition venues.
Mhm.
Kasama na din ang suporta para sa airfare. Lahat naman yan ay pinondohan ng City Government of Pasig.
Opo. Nag-trending po kasi yung Pasig na ang ganda ng hotel nyo eh. Which is I saw it also kasi tapat ng SM eh. Maganda talaga yung hotel sinasabi nila. So ano lang masasabi nyo na mukhang pati sa accommodations talaga mukhang talagang nag-all out po ang city.
Yes po, hinanap lang namin yung pinakamalaking hotel that is able to accommodate all of us. Although
Mhm.
hindi lang naman po doon kasi hindi kasha.
Opo.
Siksikan din naman po sila. Hindi alam ng marami,
Oo.
lima isang room ang nagsisiksikan,
Mhm.
tabi-tabi pa rin sila, pero at least they are able to sleep comfortably. So there are four other hotels na pinagstayhan ng
Mhm.
mga delegado ng Pasig.
Mhm. Opo. Um, yung pong kasi po, sinasabi po kasi siyempre ni Mayor Vico yung good governance po, di ba? So, yun po bang good governance po ni Mayor parang nag-translate din po sa sports program po ng Pasig?
Yeah, definitely po.
Okay. Mm.
Um, since we were able to free up resources dahil
Mhm.
nga sa pusay ng pamamahala, na-allocate yan sa pangangailangan ng mga atleta.
Mhm.
So the budget for the Batang Pinoy delegation came from the Pasig City Education Department kasi nandun nakapaloob yung
Mhm.
sports development division.
Opo.
Um, Dahil sa linis, so yun naman yung sinasabi namin, husayan mo ang pamamahala, gawin mong efficient, gawin mong malinis, maayos,
Mhm.
meron ka talagang lahat talaga ng resources supposedly ay mababalik sa tao. So
Mhm.
yung pera ng mga taxpayers, ito yung nagmamanifest na nagagamit ng maayos na ibabalik sa mga serbisyo, halimbawa, na ibabalik sa mga atleta para
Mhm.
receiving the best support they can get from a city government.
Opo. Yung sports program po ba ng Pasig talaga pong nag-boom during the time of Mayor Vico kasi ilang years na po ba kayong nagra-run ng ganitong pong programa that's been the result of which is itong ang pagpapanalo nyo lagi po sa Batang Pinoy.
Yeah. Meron naman akong grassroots program
Mm.
prior, pero
Opo.
in 2019 kasi I think they placed, this is before Mayor Vico,
Mm.
2018 ata yun, 2019, not sure. Pero
Mm.
the ranking of Pasig was 7. So that
Mhm.
was the highest we have ever gotten. Then nagka-pandemic, ginawa namin, tinuloy pa rin yung program na yon.
Mhm.
Pinalakas pa nga kasi we had to review the performance of coaches,
Mhm.
habang ginagawa pa rin nila yung patuloy na pagsasanay, pagtitraining habang nasa pandemic. So in 2022 kasi nung nag-resume
Mhm.
yung Batang Pinoy National Games, nag-second ang Pasig.
Opo.
That was already under Mayor Vico. And then in
Mhm.
2023, second ulit. 2024, the surprise, the wonderful surprise na hindi
Mhm.
namin inakala na
Talaga po.
may hingitan namin ang Pasig, na ang Baguio City last year.
Mhm.
And we just had to stay consistent. Kaya sinubukan talaga na the same level of support, the same level of training
Mhm.
ang nagagawa ng mga atletang Pasigenyo para ma-maintain pa rin. We were, of
Mhm.
course, ang target naman namin nun, basta hindi lang mawala sa top 5.
Oo nga po. Opo.
Hindi naman necessarily na kami ay mag back-to-back champion. That's a
Opo.
bonus.
Mhm.
For as long as our athletes gave their best, played fairly, naipakita din namin na this is the kind of support we can show them, that we are behind them. So,
Opo.
ayun, nag-translate nagbunga ang lahat ng suporta, ang pagpaplano at ang paghahanda. Hindi lamang to paghahanda sa side ng city government eh. I'm
Mhm.
sure naghanda rin sila, and since we have um, 170 plus coaches
Mhm.
training round our, di ba, year round. So hindi natitigil ang kanilang pagsasanay. Kaya nga pagdating ng oras na kailangan ipakita ang husay, na ipakita
Mhm.
nila ito.
Opo. Sir, previous to the second place finish, ano nga uli yung best finish ninyo? Was it seventh? Tama po.
7, tapos prior to that, 9.
Okay.
And then before that po, nasa labas ng top 10.
Okay. Okay po. Sir, even though kayo yung Batang Pinoy champion, mayroon pa ba kayong areas of improvement na nakikita para lang po maging mas lalo pang mapalakas yung grassroots program po ng Pasig?
Yes, definitely, sir.
Mm, mm,
Having seen how our athletes competed, alam din ng coaches kasi kung saan pa sila pwedeng magsanay. At
mm,
kung nakikita nila yung bright spots. For
mm.
instance, in weightlifting, ang lalakas kasi talaga ng
Opo,
Zamboanga at Rizal.
opo.
Nandyan din sumasama sa malalakas na kupunan yung Cebu.
Mm,
We were not, alam namin na mahihirapan talaga makapasok sa medal, sa
mhm,
podium. But one of our athletes almost made it kasi one kilogram difference na lang sa athlete from Rizal. So,
mhm.
ang insight namin dyan is that kaya palang sumabay.
Yes.
We can still improve. We know they trained hard under two of the best trainers we have right now, si Coach Julius and si Hidilin, no?
Mm,
Mahirap talaga ang
mhm,
talunin yung team nila, but we were hopeful na with that dedication, that commitment, that kind of training that they also do, mai-improve namin. So there could be improvements
mhm.
in some sports. Siyempre, babalikan namin na makuha ulit yung nawala sa amin sa archery. We have to
Okay.
train harder.
Mm,
Medyo sumikip na rin yung field pagdating sa swimming. We used to be
swimming.
overall champion.
Mm,
Pero malakas pa rin naman sila ngayon kahit na
mm.
napakarami ng swimmers all
Opo.
around the country, really shining, no?
Mm,
Pero kaya pang lumaban ulit yan. So may mga specific sports na gusto
mm,
rin namin makita ang improvement. We've seen that kind of improvement sa badminton, for instance, in the previous years,
Mhm.
umaabot lang kami hanggang quarterfinals.
Mhm.
Pero for the first time kasi, Pasig City was able to get into the finals round.
Okay.
Masaya kami doon. And that's a lot of improvement already.
Mhm.
Futsal, boxing,
Mhm.
ano pa ba, dance sport,
Good
doon
sport.
kami tumitingin na sana ay mapahusayan pa namin. So, kung
Mhm.
meron mang rooms of improvement pa kami, nandun yan sa ilang mga sports plus
Mhm.
ma-maintain lang yung meron nang naabot na ng mga current
Mhm.
medalists among our teams.
Oh. Sir, yung weightlifting team nyo ba matagal na or bago lang siya?
Wala talaga siya sa grassroots program namin.
Mm.
Pero merong community of weightlifters kasi in Nagpayong.
Ah, okay. Nagpayong
Oo,
oh.
so they are the athletes na lumalaban din sa palarong pambansa.
Mm.
So, hindi pa namin kasi sila natututukan the way we
Mm.
were able to give focus and attention dun sa ibang sports.
Mm.
So, when we do, yan, na-expect din namin na kayang lumaban sa iba pang
Mm.
mga teams.
Actually, sir, kasama namin sa hotel nyo yung mga weightlifters eh. Doon kami nakatira sa weightlifting
Oh,
nyo eh. So, nakakausap namin. Tapos napanood ko yung sinasabi mong 1 kilogram lang eh. Sa girls nga ba yun?
yes po.
Dikdikan
Huling
yun
huling
eh. So,
laban.
sayang eh. But yun nga, ganda nung pinakita nung weightlifting team ninyo. I mean, generally, kahit bago lang sila sa, ano, sa, bago lang sila sa Batang Pinoy, but respectable showing naman po. Ano.
They're still, I
Anyway
think, the
po.
number one
Mm.
in,
Mm.
in the entire weightlifting tournament.
Opo, opo. Sir, ano na lang, last na lang siguro, sir. Chance mo na sigurong mag-ano lang, thank you siguro sa mga sumuporta
Ah,
po sa inyo po sa Pasig and ayun po. Go ahead po.
sige, I think yung pinakamalaking thanks would go to the athletes and their coaches
Mm.
na lumaban on behalf of the city of Pasig. Sila pa rin naman talaga yung nasa front and center ng lahat ng ito. We are just behind them. So, we thank all our athletes. Marami sa kanila mag-graduate na. So, I've
Mm-mm.
seen posts of some of the athletes and medyo nalulungkot kami na mawala sila sa team. Pero excited kami to see them grow, become elite athletes, mas mapasama sa national team. So maraming maraming salamat to the dedication of our athletes and coaches. Siyempre kasama din dyan ang dedication ng kanya-kanyang mga pamilya
Mm-mm.
na sinuportahan sila sa ginagawa nila. The teachers, the school administrators who have also given them permission to do
Mm-mm.
what they do and also supported them. Alam din naman namin hindi sila nagpapabaya sa academics kasi tatanggalin namin sila if they do poorly in their academics.
Mm-mm.
Maraming salamat din sa Department of Education. Wala kami training facilities. I think we are perhaps the only city na nasa top 10 na walang sariling sports complex.
Mm-mm.
Ngayon pa lang din namin magagamit ang Philippine Sports Commission ng Ultra. So,
Mm-mm. Okay.
sana nga magbunga na rin. We just train sa mga eskwelahan mostly.
Okay.
Our pool is na city owned ay hindi standard pool. So
Mm-mm.
whenever we do time trials, we have to go elsewhere. Ayun, salamat sa DepEd kasi ang dami sa mga venues ng training ay sa mga eskwelahan.
Mm-mm.
Nagpapasalamat din kami sa City Council, siyempre kila Mayor Vico for giving this all-out support. Hindi sila pumildi sa request ng Pasig City Sports na sana ay bigyan ng halaga ang mga atleta at nabigyan halaga nga ang mga atleta. The offices were also part of this. Kasama syempre yung aming yung staff namin sa Pasig City Sports.
Mm-mm.
Yung deputy head of delegation namin, I have to give special thanks to Jessie Lacuna, the
Mm-mm.
Olympian in our
Yes.
team.
Mm-mm.
Yung last year's head of delegation namin, si Coach Nana, Coach Bea, Coach Archie, Ren, Saivi, Mean, lahat sila. Si
Mm-mm.
Zam, Coach Marshall, Julius, even yung intern namin. So, ilan lang pong tao yan sa sports, sa Pasig City Sports. Sa 10 lang po kami. But
Wow.
we were able to manage, no, with the support of all the offices in the city government of Pasig. Siyempre, ang mayor's office, nagpapasalamat kami.
Mm.
Sino pa bang kailangan pasalamatan? Mga barangays na tumulong
Mm.
din sa mga atletang ito. At lahat ng humanga, nagbigay ng panalangin, nagbigay ng suporta, nag-cheer for Pasig, even in Jensan. A lot of a lot of the people in the audience also cheered for Pasig. We are happy that we gave a good showing. We gave a good impression of our city. We also thank, of course, the Philippine Sports Commission, Chair Pato, and the commissioners. They did a good job here. Konting delay lang sa results, but largely kasi napakalaki,
Mm.
napakalaki nitong ginawa nilang Batang Pinoy 2025. Hindi siya madali. The biggest ever. Logistically, napakahirap i-manage, but they were able to pull off. Salamat din sa General Santos City for,
Mm.
for the hosting it well, for the
Mhm.
generosity, and for the for the warmth ng tunay na mainit ang Jensen, mainit ang pagtanggap at masarap ang pagkain. So ayun, everyone who has been part of this journey, nagpapasalamat po kami.
Opo. Sir, last na lang pala, may pinangako na ba si Mayor Vico na incentive?
Ay, nakataga naman ngayon sa aming ordinansa.
May super ordinance, okay.
While we were still in Jensen, inuunti-unti na namin i-process para mabilis
Mm.
na mailabas yung incentives. May ilalabas naman po bago matapos ang taon.
Yes, okay.